AI is everywhere at the moment. Every week there's a new tool, a new headline, a new video that makes you think, right, okay, that's a bit mad. And for marketing teams, it raises a pretty big question. What do we actually bloody well do with it? Do we jump in? Do we hold back? Do we wait and see? Do we quietly use it in the background and pretend we're not? Technology is moving incredibly quickly. Images, films, voices, characters, environments, and entire worlds can now be generated from a few lines of text, which is exciting. It's also a bit chaotic. And if we're honest, some of it's brilliant and some of it is complete shit. Shall we clean that? And some of it is complete rubbish. That is exactly why we wanted to get stuck in, because speed isn't the same as quality. And making more stuff isn't the same as making better stuff. For all the excitement around AI, there's still a big difference between something that looks impressive and something that actually makes people, well, just feel something. That's the bit we care about. Brands don't just need more content. They need ideas that connect, stories people remember, work that feels distinctive, emotional, and worth paying attention to. And that's where we think the real opportunity is. At Transmission, we've always believed that great creative production doesn't come from the tools alone. It comes from the idea, the insight, the taste, the judgment, the collaboration. Sometimes great ideas get pulled back or even canned completely, not because they aren't good enough, but because the practical realities get in the way. All the stuff that makes production exciting, but can also limit what's possible. That's why we launched Project Pathfinder. Not because we want to chase AI for the sake of it, not because we think it's going to magically solve every problem, and definitely not because we think creativity can be replaced by a prompt box. We launched it because we wanted to find out what happens when creative people actually get hands-on. Not as a gimmick, not as a theory, but as part of a real creative production process. Everyone will be involved, using all the AI tools we have available across the entire production process. Because the more people we get close to the tools, the better the questions become. And better questions are exactly what Project Pathfinder is all about. We're going to answer 3 big things. What do we believe about AI? Where does it genuinely help the creative production process? And can AI help marketing teams create more distinctive, more ambitious work without sacrificing quality, control, or trust? That's the heart of it. Because marketing teams don't need more hype. They need confidence. Confidence that the work will still be good, that the process can be managed properly, that standards won't drop, confidence that the story and the emotion are still protected, and confidence that new technology can be explored without putting their brand at risk. So we're testing it properly. We're going to play, experiment, make things, break things, try weird things, find shortcuts, hit dead ends, and probably generate a few things that should never see the light of day. But all of that matters because the point isn't just to create polished final films. The point is to learn. Soon, we'll be looking at the stories behind Project Pathfinder, the 3 films we're creating, the challenges behind them, the process we work to, and what each team has set out to learn. To find out more about Project Pathfinder and our exploration into AI, visit wearetransmission.com/Pathfinder.